Patrick's last call with Ben was a start, but his calls have gone unanswered for 2 days. Finally, Ben calls back.
I tried you back this morning, but what's the situation right now? Where are you and what's going on? Okay, I can't really hear you. Hold on, let me put you on speaker. What's the status of where are you going to be? I mean, where are you going to go tonight? What's the plan?
So Bob gonna take me to
Radio first.
To a meeting?
yeah,
Who's taking you to the meeting?
my mom.
Okay, good. What time's the meeting at?
8.
Okay. I mean, you don't sound great, but, you know, to be expected, right? So, can you call me after that meeting at 8? So that'll be done by 9, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so why don't we say, call me after 9. I'm gonna start calling you if you don't call me, so. I was worried about you today. I called you, as you know.
Yeah.
So, are you ready for this? Can we, I mean,
No.
no, nobody's ever ready, but that's, okay,
But nobody's ever ready.
right.
I'm just. You know how it is.
I do.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Why don't you go to that meeting at 8, and if you don't call me at 9, I'm gonna start calling you.
Okay.
I need you to call me after the meeting, though.
I will.
Okay, man?
Try this.
If you don't call me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna call you regardless. The question is, are you gonna call me? That's what I'm worried about.
yeah. No shit.
Um,
Yeah. I spent most of the day on the floor.
Yeah, you sound bad, and I'm worried. Now, like me, I need to detox my way out of these. Do you need to detox your way out of this, or you think you can? Have you had enough that you got to go back in to get detoxed out, or can you do this on your own? I mean, I never recommend doing it on your own, but
I think I need to. I think I've done it enough to do it on my own.
okay. I never recommend it. Just I could never do it on my own. I needed the hospital to keep me calm and not stroke out. But all right, let's do this. Let's chat after 9 o'clock tonight. You got to call me after that meeting, and then we got to have a plan here that we're gonna get you back to sobriety. So the best thing you can do is get to that meeting. Obviously, try not to drink, and let's chat at 9 o'clock after the meeting, and I want to see how you feel then.
Yeah.
Have you talked to Sean at all?
No. You know, I wanted to let him play his round.
Okay. Well, I've been in touch with him a little bit today. I'm going to call him now that you and I spoke. Unfortunately, I'm in the middle of something right now, but I told you I will take your call no matter what, and that's why I wanted to get into a private place to chat with you.
Yeah.
But I'm glad you're going to that meeting. I'm glad you're going with your mother, and then we need to chat just after you get home, sometime after 9. I want to talk to you a little more about a plan, a definitive plan, a permanent plan to get you safe and get you out of this. I'm with Sean. I'm recommending a halfway house, but I'm a big fan of those. I have friends that lived in those for a year at a time, and sometimes it's the right move, and I think in your situation it might be the right move. But let's talk about that. Well, one step at a time. Let's get you to that 8 o'clock meeting, and then let's try to chat it shortly after that when you get out. Don't worry about the time. I'm up all night, so just call me when you're done with that meeting, and let's work on a plan.
Okay.
I'm worried about you, but you're calling me, and that's a good sign, man.
I appreciate you taking my call.
Oh, don't worry about that. I'm happy to do that. I'm always going to take your call. We got to get a plan to get you out of this, because you can't, if you stay on this course, you know what's happening. You're out of here. I mean, you're going to die. I'm not going to, try to sugarcoat this. It's as bad as it sounds. And then, I was the same way. So there's hope, and you can do it. I need your commitment. And if you're committed, I'm in. I'm in to help.
I'm with you. So just stay with me.
I'm going to stay with you. If you're committed, I told you I'm in for the ride. So let's get it done. See if you can get some food and anything in your body, and then get to that meeting at 8. And then you and I need to chat after the meeting.
Okay.
Okay, man?
I'm with you.
Okay, that's all I want to hear. Keep your head up, and then we're going to chat in a couple hours after that meeting.
Okay.
All right, man.
Sounds good.
Stay positive. You'll get there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Oh, don't worry about any of that stuff. We're going to worry about you, and that's what I'm focused on. So let's get this done.
Okay.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a couple hours. Good luck with that meeting.
Thanks.
Okay, buddy. Talk to you then.
Bye.
Bye.
At this point, Ben's very life depends on accepting Patrick's help and advice. Let's hope he changes course and stays with the program.
Susie.